To cite a newspaper or magazine article that was found online but not in a database, we will begin with the name of the author. The author's last name is presented. We then include a comma, and then provide the author's first name. Finally, we will end the author portion of the citation with a period. If the article you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. Here, after the first author, we include a comma, the word and then the second author's name. Please note that the second author's name is presented first and then last. If we have an article with three or more authors, it will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. Once we have provided the author information, we will then proceed to the article title. Before we give the article's title, we will include opening quotation marks. We then give the title itself. Generally, we capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within article titles. We then include a period and closing quotes. After providing the article title, we will then give the newspaper or magazine title. The title of the newspaper or magazine is capitalized normally and given in italics. This section is then concluded with a comma. The newspaper or magazine title is followed by the publication date. We will provide the day, month, and year that the article was published. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We will then include a comma. Next, we will provide the URL where we found the article. After providing the URL, we will insert a period. Finally, we provide the date when we accessed the article. After typing the word accessed, we will provide the day, month, and year that we accessed the article. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from magazines and newspapers that are found online but are not from databases.